He did not come from a lineage of global music elites, yet something about him was always impossible to ignore. With a rare blend of introspection, lyrical precision, and raw emotional depth, Suga didn't simply step into the competitive world of K-pop. He built an identity of his own, transforming underground passion into one of the most respected artistic voices in modern music. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on March 9, 1993, in Daegu, South Korea, Suga's journey began far from global stages and sold-out arenas. Music was his earliest outlet. As a teenager, he immersed himself in hip-hop culture, writing lyrics, composing beats, and spending long hours in small studios refining his sound. His connection to music was not driven by fame, but by expression and survival. Coming from a modest background, he balanced part-time work while pursuing music, often facing financial limitations and personal doubt. Encouraged by his own determination more than circumstance, he auditioned for Big Hit Entertainment and joined as a trainee in 2010, stepping into a system that would test both his discipline and resilience. Years of intense training followed. Unlike many trainees, his foundation in underground rap gave him a distinct artistic identity. He developed his technical rap delivery, production skills, and songwriting ability, preparing not just to perform music, but to create it. In 2013, he officially debuted as a rapper and producer in BTS. The group's early years were built on authenticity and storytelling, and Suga quickly became one of its core creative forces. His lyrics address themes rarely explored in mainstream K-pop, including mental health, societal pressure, and personal struggle. As BTS expanded globally, breaking records and dominating international charts, Suga's influence grew both on stage and behind the scenes. His role extended beyond performance into production and composition, shaping the group's evolving sound across multiple eras. His solo journey marked another layer of artistic depth. Under the name Augusti, he released projects that revealed a more unfiltered perspective. His mixtapes and later his official album, D-Day, explored identity, ambition, and inner conflict with striking honesty, blending traditional elements with modern hip-hop production. By 2026, Suga is recognized as a multifaceted global artist. Industry professionals respect his production capabilities and songwriting depth. Audiences connect with his authenticity, and his influence continues to extend beyond K-pop into global music culture. His career reflects strategic evolution, balancing group success with independent artistry. Offstage, his lifestyle is defined by discipline and creative focus. He prioritizes studio work, maintains a relatively private personal life, and invests his time in music production and artistic development. His approach reflects consistency rather than spectacle. His public image aligns with understated sophistication. Rather than relying on constant visibility, he maintains a reserved presence, allowing his work to define his reputation. This restraint contributes to a lasting and credible artistic identity. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, songwriting credits, production royalties, and brand collaborations. Beyond financial growth, he has secured long-term influence as both a performer and a creator within the music industry. What distinguishes him is emotional honesty. He openly addresses vulnerability, pressure, and personal struggles through his music, creating a connection that feels genuine rather than constructed. This transparency has become a defining element of his artistry. Suga's journey is built on evolution rather than repetition. From an underground rapper in Daegu to a global music figure, his rise reflects persistence, authenticity, and creative control. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern artistry, introspective, disciplined, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a calm demeanor, remarkable vocal stability, and a sincerity that resonates far beyond the stage, Seungmin didn't simply debut as another idol in the competitive world of K-pop. He cultivated his own identity, transforming dedication, discipline, and passion for music into one of the most respected vocal careers of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on September 22, 2000 in Seoul, South Korea, Kim Seungmin grew up in an environment that encouraged learning, self-improvement, and personal discipline. Long before international tours and chart-topping albums, he was a student with a strong interest in music, sports, and performance. His natural curiosity and determination would eventually guide him toward a career that would place him on some of the world's biggest stages. His journey into entertainment began when he successfully auditioned for JYP Entertainment. Entering the trainee system introduced him to years of rigorous vocal practice, dance training, and performance development. Rather than relying on natural talent alone, Seungmin became known for his relentless work ethic and commitment to continuous improvement. In 2017, he participated in the survival program Stray Kids, where audiences witnessed his growth and dedication firsthand. The experience tested his resilience and strengthened his confidence as a performer. In 2018, he officially debuted as the main vocalist of Stray Kids alongside Bang Chan, Lino, Changbin, Hyunjin, Han, Felix, and Ian. As Stray Kids rapidly expanded their global presence, Seungmin's vocals became an essential part of the group's identity. His voice combines clarity, emotional control, and consistency, allowing him to navigate both powerful anthems and emotional ballads with equal effectiveness. Whether delivering soaring choruses or intimate acoustic moments, he consistently demonstrates maturity beyond his years. Over time, Seungmin established himself as one of the most reliable vocalists among fourth-generation K-pop artists. His performances showcase precision, confidence, and emotional awareness, qualities that have earned praise from fans and industry professionals alike. Through countless live performances and international tours, he has continued refining his craft while maintaining remarkable vocal stability. By 2026, Seungmin is regarded as a versatile global performer. While he remains a key member of Stray Kids, he has also gained recognition through individual projects, special covers, and vocal performances that highlight his unique artistry. His career reflects steady growth built on consistency rather than shortcuts. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects balance, discipline, and professionalism. He is known for maintaining routines that support physical health, vocal conditioning, and personal development. Despite his demanding schedule, he often emphasizes the importance of preparation, practice, and self-improvement. His public image combines sophistication with approachability. Unlike performers who rely heavily on extravagant personas, Seungmin's appeal stems from authenticity and quiet confidence. His polished fashion choices, composed demeanor, and thoughtful communication style have contributed to a reputation that resonates with audiences across different cultures. While public interest frequently extends to his personal life, Seungmin remains relatively private. He consistently places focus on music, performance, and artistic growth. Fellow artists and industry professionals often describe him as dependable, hardworking, and exceptionally dedicated to his responsibilities. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from album sales, global tours, endorsements, merchandise, streaming platforms, and various entertainment activities. Beyond financial achievements, he has established long-term credibility as both a vocalist and performer within the global music industry. What many people find compelling is his consistency. In an entertainment landscape driven by trends and rapid change, Seungmin has built his reputation through reliability, steady improvement, and genuine passion for music. His ability to remain grounded while continuing to evolve artistically has become one of his defining strengths. Seungmin's journey is marked by perseverance rather than shortcuts. From a determined student in Seoul to one of K-pop's most respected vocalists, his rise reflects discipline, patience, and unwavering commitment to excellence. As he continues forward in 2026, He stands as a symbol of modern artistry, focused, dependable, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.